north of Tahlequah. That's where those folks need to be in their safe spot. That's a far greater tornado risk there with that one. With ours, in our area, it's a straight line wind threat more than anything else. Okay, straight line wind threat more than anything else, and the winds are picking up as this comes into Fort Smith. And getting another look from our chasers there in Sebastian County. Well, we'll have to wait until they get stopped again before we go back to that. Let's go to our Golden Living camera in Fort Smith and see if the winds have picked up there. No, not seeing anything too terrible there. That's good. That's very good to see. All right. That's from Jack and Regina, kind of just looking at this storm. Again, not seeing any tornado potential really right now there. So it's just a straight line wind kind of concern for the most part now. But definitely still a concern. So we've still got the tornado warning on it. I suspect they will be doing away with this before 6:45 because this is almost going to be out of the warning by 6:45. It is actually moving pretty quickly due north. Coming into Fort Smith, as this comes into Fort Smith, it'll be a strong straight line wind threat more than anything else. But definitely a storm to watch. Definitely a storm to watch. Again, if you're just now joining us, tornado warning extending all the way up to the south side of Fort Smith. Tornado threat looks very, very low, but the straight line wind threat is definitely there. Definitely there with this one. All right. So we're starting to see the winds pass. You can see these bright reds on radar here. The gust front passing the radar and estimating around 30-mile-per-hour winds. So that's not too terribly bad. Not too.
That's the direction they're talking about, y'all. That's Pensacola, that direction in Oklahoma. My amateur, there goes the sirens again. They say the sirens are for straight line winds, not tornadoes. The tornado risk is low, but the straight line winds are very high. Risks are very high. You smell the rain. That cloud right there don't look good. Well, I'm going to go back in, watch TV, watch the weather report. In just that little bit of time, look how much the wind has picked up. I don't know if you can see that like I can, but boy, has the wind picked up. Well, shalom, shalom.